adding some feta cheese to make the salad a little buttery, tangy, and slightly salty. Now all that's left to add to this gorgeous looking salad is some dressing. For the dressing, into a mason jar, get some fresh lemon juice. We need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Grate 1 garlic clove into this. Next, we add about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, seasoned with half a teaspoon of salt and quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Freshly crushed pepper is good as well. Put the lid on and give it a good mix. Let's add a dressing to this pretty looking bowl. Make sure you toss the salad really well with this lemon dressing.
This is a really nice salad that you should give it a try. Do subscribe and stay connected. Thank you for watching. This is Shirley signing off from Shirl's Kitchen. Bye-bye.